Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming admin rights. Without them, you cannot fully remove a bot. Once you have rights, find the bot's app ID and list where it's installed, team, channel, or personal scope. Open the team's admin center if available. Otherwise, use the team's desktop apps manage team or app settings. Start removal in the location with the broadest scope first. This prevents replicas from persisting. Make sure to note any integrations or connectors the bot uses before proceeding. You now remove the bot from every scope, uninstall it from channels, delete personal app installs, then remove from team app lists. In the Team's Admin Center, go to Team's Apps, choose Manage Apps, locate the bot by app ID, and delete or block it. Next, update permission and app setup policies to exclude that AppSo users cannot reinstall it. Once done, review any automated flows or Azure registrations that reference the bot to prevent unexpected reconnections. Finish by checking Azure Active Directory. Find the bot's enterprise application or service principal and revoke or delete its permissions. This severs backend access. Then, clear cached app entries by instructing users to sign out, restart teams, or clear client cache on desktop. This removes lingering UI traces. If the bot still appears, inspect audit logs, revoke any OAuth tokens, and disable related connectors or flows. One key troubleshooting tip: expire credentials in Azure so any automated reconnection attempts fail immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.